I ended up having to get some PETG because I used PLA for the emblem, and when we sanded it to make it smooth to vinyl wrap it, it just warped. Okay? And so, I got me some PETG. Now, the thing is, my printer, this is a different project, which you guys will see, but if you take a look, I can actually, like, ooh, I broke it, but I can get my finger in there, so it's delaminating. So what I'm going to do is, I went ahead and I got a bunch of new parts, like new springs, aluminum extruder, and a bunch of new printer heads. And I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to be tuning my printer from everything I can possibly tune. There's a great program, I'll link to it in the description. It's by, I forget the guy's name, but that's okay. Turns out you can't actually print with PETG. Oh, sorry. You can print with PETG, but it's not a good idea with the Ender 3, the way it's stock set up, because it's not a whole all metal hot end. So when you do heat it up enough to melt it, it has some heat creep into the Bowden tube, and then that actually, or the, what else is it called? PTFE tube? Okay, so it has some heat creep though that actually releases some toxic chemicals. So I got this all metal hot end from Micro Swiss, but I also got their direct drive extruder, so it was only like 25 bucks more. Unfortunately, I'm in Canada, so that means it was like an extra $1,000, but that's okay. It's about this time I figured I might as well just upgrade the whole thing and call her a day. I'm done upgrading my printer. I got the Micro Swiss extruder hot end, direct extruder with the hot end, as well as I put the Ender extender kit, so now I can print 400 by 400 by 500 roughly, give or take a bit. And so now the problem is, it's massive. And on top of that, if I'm printing with PETG or ABS, I sit right here and I don't really want to be printing beside me. I could put in the garage, but it's becoming winter, so I don't really have a heated garage. It's not going to be regulated, right? So anyway, I need to go ahead and figure this out, and